Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here, and if you're interested in how I refresh my chunky twist, then just keep watching. Now I'm starting out on freshly co-washed hair with apple cider vinegar. I did not use soap in this wash, but I am just sitting here with my microfiber towel on my head trying to soak up the dripping water because I don't like it running down my neck, but I'm just showing you the before, how my roots look. This is one main reason why I do not wash my twists, but these twists was in my hair for about a month and 3 weeks. So after the first month, I did wash them out, but I did not use soap. I feel like when my twists are in, my hair gets very tangly when I wash my hair with soap. So I just did an apple cider vinegar rinse on my hair, and when I do wash my hair with twisting, I immediately will take my hair down and retwist it. So I decided to give the aloe vera rubbing it straight on your hair a try, just wanting to see if it actually worked or if it was any benefits from actually cutting the gel out of the middle and blending it up, or if it was better to just rub it straight on your hair. And is it worth it? You guys will see at the end of this video. So what you're going to see me do is just take down each section one at a time, rub the aloe vera plant on my hair, and retwist each section. The aloe vera plant did get dry, so I started kind of poking at it with my nails, which I will have to tell you, after about an hour of this, my fingers hurt so bad. So that's already one con that I do not like about this process. The second thing that I don't like about this process is I feel like you use more of the leaf up instead of being able to expand it with either extra aloe juice or water or oil. You're using, well, for my hair, I used almost the entire plant of the aloe leaf. So pretty much now I'm just trying to show you guys the difference between the right twist and the left twist. So the twist that I just got done doing, now the raggedy twist is on the right, the brand new twist is on the left. And you see how the twist on the right was really fuzzy and it had a lot of flyaways. So just imagine if you let that dry on itself, it's just going to get tangled and matted. That's why I do not allow my hair, when I have twist in my hair, chunky twist, I will not allow it to dry on itself and to leave it in that state after I wash my hair. I normally go in with a leave-in conditioner. After I get done showering, I will put it straight on my hair, put a plastic bag on, get out of the shower, and then just twist my hair and don't have to worry about putting extra product on my hair. I could just retwist it because it already have the product in it. I can tell you one thing, doing this aloe vera leaf, rubbing it straight on your hair, it takes a very long time and it's almost more of a nuisance instead of just making a aloe vera spray to just spray on your hair like I do. I have a couple of videos. I will leave those down in the description. But this took a lot longer. Like, this process is really tedious and your fingers will hurt after this process. So I am just gonna let you guys watch me rub this aloe plant on my hair and I'll show you guys the end result. So because this was taking so long, I just went off camera. I got the right side of my head done, and I still have to do the left side of my head. So I'm going to come back with the final result for you guys. But you see how I'm kind of putting that section in a bantu knot just to keep it moisturized. Now, this is the point of where I'm just like, wow. I thought this wasn't supposed to leave little bits and nasty stuff in your hair, but as you can see, I have aloe vera pieces in my hair. It was throughout my twist. It was sitting on the top of my hair. It was really bad in the front sections, and I wanted to leave this in just to show you guys that this process did leave pieces in my hair, and surprisingly, it didn't bother it too much. The pieces that were left in there, they just dried up. Some of them did look like flakes, but if you're a really particular person, this would probably not be for you. I would not do this process again, only because it took so long. My fingertips hurt, and there's just an easier way to apply aloe to your hair instead of doing this process. My hair did feel soft and it was moisturized, but the process was just ridiculously long. And you guys see how I put mini braids in my hair, and I have a lot of patience. I did not have patience to put this leaf on my hair this way. So I am just going to moisturize my hair and seal that with an oil because I didn't put oil in my hair with the leaf. So I have to apply a little bit of extra oil just so my hair don't let the moisture escape from the leaf. So I'm putting that olive oil on the top of my hair. I am going to put a plastic bag on my head for about 20 to 30 minutes. I left this bag on my head. I put my hair rag on and a hat, just kind of trying to give it a deep conditioning situation. And then I took it off, and my hair was surprisingly really soft. But you guys, I don't feel like this process is worth it. But my twists were really shiny. They were moisturized, but I did have stuff in my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks. Bye.